So we're gonna try to shoot it up in here, okay? Think we can get in there? Yeah, we do. We're not worried about the first boat. We're worried about the
Yeah, no, we can get it. We can get it, guys. Ready?
Okay, here we go.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Helly Hansen NOOD Regatta, St. Petersburg. After racing today, head to the Helly Hansen Happy Hour at St.Pete Yacht Club. Good luck today.
30 seconds.
Jim out.
23.
Go. Go.
You can come up. You can come up. Come up high. Go now, Bill. Go now.
Us boat.
Yeah.
Tack.
Talking.
Can you tack?
Sorry, Bill.
They moved the flag on us. I'm sorry.
No way. Yeah, I see that. I totally see that now. I thought the flag was at the spreader.
They had the flag at the spreader and they moved it back. Wing and wing, please. It's hard to tell with the clouds, too.
It is.
If I was taking a dumbass guess, I'd say the left side a little bit to start with.
Yeah, it's. I did think that too, honestly. About 1.5 off the line.
25 seconds. Go below this guy.
Down fast, up.
Come on up! Come on up!
Go forward, Bill. 14, 13, 12. Go fast forward, Bill. Don't pinch here.
Where are we?
You have room. Go. Wait.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, flat, guys. Not a lot of pressure here, though. Puffin 5.
Pretty normal, a normal kind of almost low number.
Yeah, we're always around that 250, right? Okay, you got a couple of starboard guys who are crossing. Next pressure's in 7 seconds. Puffin 3, 2, 1.
So we're gonna try to shoot it up in here, okay? Think we can get in there? Yeah, we do. We're not worried about the first boat. We're worried about the
Yeah, no, we can get it. We can get it, guys. Ready?
Okay, here we go.
Going. Jib sheet. Hold it down. Use the spinnaker sheet, guys.
Go.
Ready. Hoisting. Come on. Come on.
Look behind.
I'm looking behind. He's right on our line. Come up.
Shoot.
Let me know if you need it. I can do it.
Hang on, I'm stuck. 6 feet. We're kind of in a lull. We can dive in a puff.
Yeah, we are in a little bit of a lull.
Okay.
Most of the pressure is to windward right now, and there's a lot of boats there, so we can't.
Let's find the wind.
I am
We're
looking.
going slow, Bill. You keep
Yeah, if you come up a little bit, there's a nice puff that we're gonna get back on. It's gonna be on us in 5 seconds. One more boat length to windward if we can work up a little bit. Okay, no higher.
Jibe?
Yeah, I think if we jibe here, we'd be in a good spot. We'd be in a better spot. Ready?
Head down.
swing is coming on. 35. We've got this guy coming in here. We've got this guy coming in.
30 seconds.
All right.
We're not even close.
No, we're not. 25. Shed is coming down, and this guy's trying to get in our hole too. 20 seconds here. Maybe start to pull forward a little.
15. Go, go.
Okay. Yep. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We can keep coming up. We're not crossing 19. Yeah, he's crossing us.
No, we want to go.
Pressure in 3, 2. We're a little low here.
That's okay, we're trying to get these guys better.
Yeah. Oh, here.
Now everything's calm, okay?
Yeah, of course. We're ready. Ready? Maybe. They just rounded. They don't have their spin up yet. Good job. And we're off. What do you want?
I got it. We really got to drive the boat here. We don't have any pressure right
There's a little bit of pressure to windward here if we go up.
Okay, that's it.
Right here. And coming into it in 2, 1. That's it. They just jived.
They're gonna tip
Really bad jive.
Okay.
Oh, they're done. They're in the water.
We can jive anything.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, look at this.
Got it.